Increasing YouTube video views involves a combination of optimizing your content, promoting it effectively, and engaging with your audience. Here are some tips to help you increase your YouTube video views. Create high-quality content. Produce videos that are engaging, informative, and visually appealing. Focus on delivering value to your viewers and providing content that they would find interesting and shareable. Optimize your video title and description. Use descriptive and keyword-rich titles and descriptions that accurately represent your video's content. This will help your video appear in search results and attract relevant viewers. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see before deciding to watch your video. Create visually compelling and relevant thumbnails that grab attention and entice viewers to click on your video. Utilize keywords and tags. Research relevant keywords and include them in your video's tags, title, description, and even in the video itself. This will improve your video's visibility in search results and increase the likelihood of it being recommended to viewers. Promote your videos on other platforms. Share your videos on your social media channels, website, blog, and other online communities where your target audience is active. Encourage people to watch and share your videos with their networks. Engage with your audience, respond to comments on your videos and build a community around your content. Engaging with viewers creates a sense of connection and encourages them to return to your channel for future videos. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partner with other creators in your niche to collaborate on videos or promote each other's channels. This can expose your content to a new audience and help you gain more views. Optimize your video for SEO. Research and implement search engine optimization (SEO) strategies specific to YouTube. This includes using relevant keywords, creating engaging video descriptions, and utilizing closed captions. Utilize YouTube advertising. Consider running YouTube ads to reach a broader audience and increase visibility for your videos. You can choose from different ad formats, such as in-stream ads or video discovery ads, to promote your content. Consistency is key. Regularly upload new content to your channel and maintain a consistent schedule. This will keep your audience engaged and encourage them to subscribe and return for more videos. Remember, increasing YouTube video views takes time and effort. Focus on providing value to your audience, optimizing your content, and promoting it effectively to attract more viewers.